Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notification bell. I have another idea. I decided to take a break away from the landscaping because it's hot out there. And I decided I'm going to do something with the division between my office slash women cave slash closet, whatever room. My multi-purpose room versus the bedroom. And before I had put a division by adding a half a wall of a slat wall, slats. And yeah, I had the slats. And that way, because like I said before, this is your first time, this back room has 3 windows. The only light that goes into bedroom is from these windows. So that's why I put the slat wall. Even though before, this used to be a converted patio. And what happened is they took the slider out, made this into a room, and then of course there's the bedroom. I still had that big opening, so I put the slats. Okay, that was one idea. But then I decided to finally, I've been wanting to put a barn sliding door there for a long time, but I couldn't figure out how I would do it. I would have to get a double door. But because of the wall being not enough space on one side, but more on this side, it'd be fine. But on this side, it would basically have to stay stationary, whereas the other one would slide. So to solve that problem, I put the slat divider separation in. But now, finally, I decided I had curtains up there. I took them down when I did the slat wall. Then I decided to put the curtains back up. Then I decided to take them down again. Anyway, I decided I want that glass, seen-through glass barn door. So I ordered one. And I was trying to decide if I want to hire somebody to put it up, or we can try and do it ourselves. We've done the one in the living room before. So anywho, I decided to do it myself. The problem with this particular door is comes in 3 separate glass panels. Then you have to attach them together. The door is heavy because it's metal. Anyway, I managed to put the 3 panels together. And I did it on the bed. And then he came in and helped me lift it off the bed and prop it up because I was done after that. It took me several hours just to do that alone. So we propped the wall, and the next day I decided, you know what, let me call my handyman friend and to help me. So he came over that afternoon. It was like around 2:15 in the afternoon. He came over and helped me. It was he's never done this before. So in the process of helping me, he learned how to do this as well. And we managed to get the door up. The instructions suck. You have to, if you don't know what you're doing, you got to watch a lot of videos and, I happen to know what I was doing, so that helped. Anyway, we got it up. We got it up a little bit too high off the ground, which means I decided to order one of those things from Amazon that fits between the 2 doors. It's like this. Imagine this being the door. Okay. Imagine this. I don't know. This is a poor example. Imagine this is the door and something has to sit between here for the door to slide in between like this. The bottom of the door. But we had it so high. So anyway, I ordered the thing from Amazon. And it's supposed to come today. And I'm going to try to hook it up. But everything is up there. The door is up there. It just needs a floor guide to keep it from flying out. I didn't do a tutorial. I just did little bits and pieces so you'll see little clips. And that's about it in the finished product. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, because I'm keep coming with stuff. I'm always doing something around here. And the weather being so hot outside, I decided to take a break away from the outside because it's like 106-degree weather down here. So probably I'll get back at it next week early in the morning. But right now I want to focus on getting the inside, this door situation squared away. All right. See you on the next one. Bye. I have decided to remove the curtains. What I'm going to do is put a metal sliding door here. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to have it professionally to installed or do it myself. The one in the living room we did ourselves. So I'm pretty sure we can do this too. I have to take this down. However, this technically right here will stay the same. It'll stay open. This would consider this, just imagine this being a doorway right here, and this is a wall, except this is a see-through wall. So the door, there will be a header board across here, and the track will be here. So to open the door when I want to go in, I'm going to pull the door back this way to enter. So when it's pulled back this way, it's a see-through glass door, so you'll see this. And then when I want to close it, I just pull it this way. But the light will still come in. And yes, I'll have not privacy, but I'll have a closed door in this area. Because from several years, I was trying to figure out what I want to do to this area. And you see what I did here. I put this slat thing here. And that was okay. But I wanted, and because it's expensive, I wanted to put a slider there. And I guess I probably could have put double sliding glass doors there, perhaps. But I had to do it a cost-effective way for me. So I decided to go this route. And if for some reason I get tired of this, I can always have this closed up. And it just be an entry, narrow door right here. These are the instructions. They're not that great instructions. They're just pictures. These are 3 panels. And they have to be screwed together. There's step 2. And you put the little side pieces in. I can get that far. And 3, I can also do that. I think once I get that part together, the hardest part is trying to figure exactly how high, come on now, how high to mount this bracket. And that is where I'm probably going to need some help. I found in the past when I did this door over here, we put a mounting board up into the studs, and then we screwed the rail track onto the board. That made it much easier to do it. Here I have put the track onto the board because I want to translate the holes onto the board. Alright, now I have to take the little silver screws and put them into those little holes with the little Allen key thing. It wasn't easy. Then once I have that side done, then I have to flip the doors over and do it on the other side. And of course I need to attach the third panel at the bottom. This thing took 2.5 hours of blood, sweat, and tears. Just kidding. It was hard. My hands was hurting. As you can see, I got the door assembled and it's propped up. We propped it up against the wall. I put the wheels on the top as well. Now you can see how tall the door is, which means the mounting board and the track is going to have to go up a little bit higher above the actual door ledge. Now, as you can see, when I open the door, it's going to put it from the right to the left, and when I open it, and then to the right when I close it. But yeah, you got to get this thing up here. It's going to be interesting. And we got the board up. As you can see, the holes, the white holes is where I took it out and painted black first of all. I wanted black. Then, as you can see, the little white circles. That's because that is actually the holes for the track. Once I put it up there, and the other screws are screwed into the stud. As you can see, the track is up now, the door is up, all done. Mess on the bed. We worked on this for a long time, let me tell you. But there she is. This is different, a different design, my design. Of course, my see-through wall and my sliding glass door. I got to cover up all those holes, of course, with wood putty and black paint, but I'll do that later on. No hurry, this was hard enough. Yep. I could have actually put it over a little bit more to the right at the edge of where that slat wall starts. But I can't get it up now because I use double-sided tape to stick it to the floor rather than screw into the floor. And normally the back of it would screw into the wall, but since I don't actually have a wall, I use it, I stuck it to the floor, of course. And here it is, I'm sliding it back. And yeah, the door is up. It wasn't easy. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. That thing was heavy, and they make it look easy, but it's not. Well, not for me anyway. And thank God you have to have two people. There's no way you can do this by yourself, especially if that thing is so heavy trying to put on a track. Now, I've seen a YouTube channel where he's actually lifted it up by himself because he's strong. Put it on a track. It took two of us, of course, me and my friend, and we got it up there. I like the way it turned out. I can still get the light in here. I can still have the door closed if I want to close it off. Now, excuse me, the slats itself is not closed off. You still have air going in and out even though I close the door. It's just me psychologically. I like the door closed at night. But yeah, this is different. And if I ever decide to change up, I can always have someone come in and drywall that area off and to turn into a solid wall. And I'll just have an opening into this room, a regular size door opening into this room. So yeah, that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and tell me what you think of my second barn door. I like barn doors for some reason. I just like the way they look. And this particular door, it just gives me kind of like a lofty look. I don't know, between the two rooms. Anyway, all right. So I'll see you on the next one. You take care. Bye.